share ko lang sa inyo yung mga ayun na nakuha kong Secret Santa gift. So, ayan siya, yung mga ticket, cash. Ayan siya, over 450,000 pesos from 5 to 500. So, tingnan natin dito sa 10 candy cash. Ano na to? Candy cash. Obviously, hindi marunong mag-play. Ano? Kung candy cash ticket na to, scratch. So, tingnan natin kung may chance ako manalo kahit $1. Alright? Let's do this thing. Tingnan natin kung mananalo si Michigan Lynn. Let's scratch this. Where do you scratch? Right here. Oh, here. It says 50, $1, 500, 20, 50. That's another lost. This is a third one already out of 10. So, lost, another lost. This is the fourth one out of 10. Fourth one out of 10. And I see nothing but loose so far. Now you can see one candy cane. Candy cane considered winner. And two candy cane is double winner. So far I don't have no candy cane. Nice. Oh, I got $1. $1 already. Yes, I got the candy cane right here. It says scratch entire play, get a candy cane win prize shown. Get a 2 candy cane with a double that prize. Get, yeah. So far, one winning only out of 10 scratch ticket. It's impossible to win this kind of card anyway. That's why I don't buy it. I used to buy, but no, it's impossible to win. So that's the attitude. Yep, 2 already lost. How many I lose so far? So 6 already. There's 3 more left to go. And I have only 1 ticket win for $1. Thank you for a person who is my Secret Santa. She lets me win $1 out of 10 tickets. Scratch tickets. That's why I don't buy this. It's okay if someone give it to me, but buying it on my own, wasted that money and there's no winning. It's impossible. Impossible. Yep, it's lost. Only win $1. $1 out of 10 tickets. There you go, guys. 9 tickets trash, 1 ticket for $1. Yay! At least I win something. But I appreciate the gift. Okay, that's it, folks. Just wanna share my gift. The gift I got from Christmas, the Secret Santa from work. There you go. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, everyone. This is Michigan Lynn. Bye.